Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. That's what I was doing. Hey guys. So I've received a lot of new eyeshadow palettes, and I recently did a poll on Instagram story asking which palettes you wanted to see a tutorial on, and I think it was like 71% of you guys said that you wanted to see the Flamingo eyeshadow palette from Violet Voss. So went ahead and did that for you today. I created this cut crease. I haven't done a cut crease in forever, but I love the way that it turned out. It's a little uneven. I feel like I'm a little bit off my game with cut creases. I also did a winged liner for the first time in forever. And I'm wearing gloss. I don't know. Things are changing. But it's a stunningly beautiful palette. Like, it's so bright. It's perfect for summer. It's got like nice warms. It's got the blue tones, obviously. It's got pink. It's got purple. And everything kind of works. You can create a lot of different looks with this. I chose to stick with the warm colors and the pinks today, but do I love those teals. They're so pretty. So we're gonna be using this palette today. I also used a couple of products from the Becca Chrissy Teigen collaboration, which are also fantastic. Before we jump into the tutorial, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share, whatever, comment, all those things. They all help me out and I appreciate it. That's pretty much it. I guess we'll do it now. All right, so I already have my base. I did bronzer and brows and all that shit. So let's just get into the eyeshadow. So I'm gonna start off by priming with, should I use concealer? I'm gonna prime with the ColourPop concealer. This is in light 16. I just wanna kind of like cancel out any pigment. All right, so now for powder, I'm gonna use a little bit of the, where is it? Too Faced Born This Way Ethereal Setting Powder. Does this have a color? It does. There's 3 colors. There's light, medium, and dark, I think. And I'm just gonna use this to set my lid. And I'm gonna make sure that I am powdering out here because I've been taking my eyeshadow out really far lately. And I wanna make sure that it actually like blends into the rest of my makeup. So I'm going to start, I don't even know because there's just so many damn colors in here. My instinct is to do warm colors up top and then do like the blues on the bottom, but I feel like that's so overdone. But that's what I want to do. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna start off with, I think, what's that called? Lemonade? I'm gonna start off with Lemonade in my crease, and then I'm probably natural progression. Lemonade, this guy, maybe one of the pink type colors, or salmon or whatever you wanna call that. And then I think I'm gonna do a cut crease. I haven't done one in a really long time. So I'm just gonna start buffing this out. It's less pigmented than I thought it was gonna be. It's also lighter than I thought it was gonna be. Maybe that's the powder, I don't know. I'm gonna take this up to my brow. And then I'm gonna kind of, lately I've been doing like a triangular blend at the end of my eye. That's pretty. I like that the way it is. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with Popsicle or Sunbathe. I think I'm gonna keep it bright, so I guess I'm gonna go with Popsicle. This orange color. I'm gonna focus this a little bit more in the crease. I like doing other, you know, colorful looks like with greens and stuff like that, but honestly, this is just so much better. All right, I'm gonna build up that crease a little bit more. I don't know what I wanna do though. I don't know if I wanna go in with Flamingo. Yeah, I'm gonna grab Flamingo now. What is this? This is the BH number 9 brush. I love this this crease brush. It's like so easy. I love how neon this looks. It looks very neon. I wasn't expecting that. The colors don't look as neon in the pan. I'm wondering if it's because like my base is so light. So each time I'm laying down a color, I'm kind of like starting off in the crease and then I'm doing this sort of like light blend into more of a triangular shape. And I might intensify that a little bit later on. I am going to pick up Sandals. It's kind of like a warm brown. I'm gonna focus this like right, it's basically, I guess it is the crease, maybe like a little bit above. I haven't done a cut crease in a really long time, so I don't know, you gotta bear with me here. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit more of the yellow because I feel like I'm losing a little bit of it, that lemonade color. And I'm just gonna buff around this, the edge of this. It's getting very orange very quickly. I feel like that just kind of like softens it. These shadows are blending out really easily and I'm not getting like any fallout or anything, so that's really nice since I already did all my face makeup. All right, I think I'm gonna leave the top like that. So now what I'm gonna do is go in with some concealer, I guess. I think okay, I'm between doing like a blue lid and then keeping the lower lash line warm, or doing like a, I don't know, like a pinky, one of these pinky or yellow shades on the lid and then doing the lower lash line blue. I wish I had a slightly lighter shimmer that was blue, because that is what I want right now. That's kind of pretty. Actually, flip-flops might be nice. Ooh, no. Oh shit, I like flip-flops. I think I might have to do flip-flops, I don't know. All right, while I'm deciding, I'm gonna go in with some concealer. So I'm gonna go in with that same ColourPop concealer, and this is a BH number something brush. And I'm gonna place this all over the lid, right up there. That's why the crease hits. So I'm gonna use that as my guide. This one got kind of screwed up, so that's cool. This lid is way more difficult because it's like very, I don't know how to describe it. It's just like very droopy. I can move it around a lot. I have like a lot of more skin over here. It's not as taut. I don't have Butte Soup's beautiful, flawless eyelids. All right, that's as good as we're gonna get it. So I'm gonna grab the BH number 7 brush. This is just a little flat brush, and I'm gonna pick up flip-flops because I really like that color. I wanna see how this packs with a brush. Is anything happening? Can't see it at all. Let me try my finger to start off. Yeah, way better with your finger. All right, so now I'm gonna pick it up with my brush so that I can get like close to that line. I'm gonna pick it up on my brush and I'm gonna spritz it with whatever I can find at the moment, which I think is gonna be the all-nighter setting spray. I need to get in for this. This is an incredibly beautiful shadow. I really love it. I think it looks so pretty with these colors. I wish my crease was ever so slightly more even, but you know. All right, for the lower lash line, I think what I'm gonna do is just make it more pink to kind of tie in the lid color because there is a lot of pink in it. So I'm gonna start off with Coral, this pink shade right here. And then I'm probably gonna move into Watermelon, and then I might do a little bit of buffing out with Lemonade just to add a little, you know, something from the top maybe. And then, I don't know, I might mess around with Donut. I've decided. So I'm gonna start off with Coral and just run this along my lower lash line. This is a pretty pigmented shadow. I'm gonna grab Watermelon, which isn't that much darker, but I'm gonna see if I can use this to kind of like deepen up this area. Kind of worked. All right, and now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Lemonade, just kind of like buff this area. It's very pretty. Now I think for the lower part of the inner corner, I'm gonna go in, I really just wish that I had like a slightly lighter version of this color because I wanna incorporate the blue, and that would be perfect, but it's matte. And that's just like too not bright. So I think I'm gonna go in with Donut right here in the lower part of the inner corner. I kind of like how light this is. It's nice. All right, before I finish off the eyes, I want to do the rest of the face. So I'm gonna kind of bronze and blush at the same time. So I'm actually gonna be using, this is the new Becca Chrissy Teigen highlight bronze blush. This is the Endless Bronze and Glow Shimmering Skin Perfector, I believe. So you have a shimmery bronzer, blush, and then highlighter. This is Moonstone, I can't remember what this is. And then the shimmery bronzer. What I've been doing is mixing these together and it creates this like really pretty, I'll just show you, this really pretty like rose gold color when you mix it. It's kind of like mostly the blush. You can see that? It's really pretty. So I'm gonna use this on my cheeks. This is my first time using it when I'm fair though. I had a tan and it looked stunning. I kind of like put it on the apples of my cheeks and then dusted it around. Do I fall out? All right, I got a little bit of fallout with those shadows, but nothing too crazy. Anyway, so I'm gonna mix them together. I'm gonna use my Morphe E4 brush. I'm just gonna kind of like tap into all the shades and then really tap off my brush because they're pretty pigmented. So I'm gonna start on the apples of my cheeks and then kind of like blend in and up. So it just gives you like a really pretty sheen. I think I might need a little bit more bronzer though. I was afraid that it was gonna be way too dark for me when I'm fair, but it actually looks nice. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more bronzer to my face though. So I'm gonna use another Becca product. I'm gonna use the Be Light. This is in light medium, and I'm gonna grab this shade and just kind of warm up my face a little bit more. Let me set my face really quick. All right, so to highlight, I've been loving the skin reflectors from Elsie Cosmetics. This is in the shade Pearly Glaze. It's perfect for fair skin. She has like a bunch of different stripes of highlight colors, so you can kind of like customize, which is awesome. I love all of the shades. They're so beautiful. I've been going between this one and then this is Pearly Glaze and then Gold Haze, I think. Love that one. She also has like a peachy shade, which is really stunning. It's also like a gorgeous lip cheek topper. And then they have like a more bronzy one. They're all so beautiful and the formula is stunning. So yeah, I'm just gonna hit the high points of the face. The formula is like so nice and light. The pearl is really like fine. So you don't have like big chunks of glitter or anything. It just kind of like gives you the glow from within that everybody likes. Isn't that pretty? I've been kind of like omitting my brow bone highlight lately, which I kind of like, but I feel like I gotta do it today. Because then I do it and I'm like, that's fantastic. Why would I never do that? All right, I'm gonna give my lashes a quick curl before I go in with my liquid liner. So I like to kind of do that first. So I don't like, because I like to get really close to the lash line and I don't want to ruin up my liner. I'm saying so many things right now that are just gonna get cut out. It's like when I haven't filmed in a while, I kind of forget like how much you guys don't need to know. I have to go grocery shopping after this. I always feel really stupid walking into Ralph's and having like a full face of makeup on. All right, for winged liner, I'm gonna use CoverGirl liquid liner. This is $3.25. They have a matte one and they have a shiny one, and I've forgotten which one is which, so we're just gonna use it and see what happens. I don't know if I wanna use the, I guess I'll just use the applicator, fuck it. The applicator's pretty nice, but I was gonna use a brush. All right, ready? This is stressful for me because I haven't done this in a really long time. Okay, that one went pretty well. Not bad. That's like the hardest part. All right. I really hope this is the matte one. That side is so hard for me to do. Okay, that didn't go well. We'll fix it later. Honestly, winged liner is like working out. Consistency is key. But I'm not proud of it. I would really love to fix this little spot. That's as good as we're gonna get today. All right, for mascara, I'm gonna try the new Hourglass Caution Ultra Black Mascara. Look at this packaging. Looks like it's got fibers in it, but I can't tell. Actually, I really like it for my lower lashes. Might be a lower lash mascara. For lashes, I'm gonna use Boudoir Light. These are by House of Lashes. Okay, and while I'm waiting for my lash glue to get tacky, I'm gonna do my lips. I wanna use one of these glosses. I think I'm gonna, oh my God. Just stuck my finger right in lash glue. I think I'm gonna line my lips with Melt Nudist Lip Liner. This is my favorite nude lip liner of all time. I'm going through it so fast. This one, and then the Charlotte Tilbury Iconic Nude Lip Pencil. They're amazing. This one's like a little bit more cool toned. Now, I've been really into glossy lips lately. I don't even know who I am. I kind of want to use one of the Chrissy Teigen lip glosses. This one might be too dark. I don't know how pigmented it is. So we've got Beach Bum. This is like nice nude. Then we have this one, which is Malibu Soleil, which is a little bit more of a mauvey shade. And then we have Beach Nectar, which is pretty, but it's got a shimmer in it. I feel like Beach Bum is like what I would go for. It's just kind of typical and boring. I kind of want to try that. I feel like they would all be really flattering. I think I'm gonna try Beach Nectar. I'm just gonna pop on this lash first, though. It's more pigmented than I thought it was gonna be. I kinda like it though. If you guys haven't tried the Becca glosses, you have to. They're so amazing. Like, they feel perfect on the lips. They're lightweight, but they're super shimmery. I mean, very reflective and hydrating, but like creamy, but not too thick. Like, your lips don't stick together when they're just so comfortable, and they last forever. I like that. I kind of want to put a little Beach Bum in the center, but I don't know if that'll ruin it. I think it'll ruin it. I like that one. It's slightly more sheer than the other two. The other two a little bit more opaque. All right guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you to everybody who answered my poll on Instagram. I really love how this turned out. I haven't done a cut crease in so long. Kind of want to use the blues eventually, so if you wanted to see another tutorial, let me know. Or at least I'll probably be playing around with this palette a little bit more. All right guys, please let me know what you think of this look and also this palette, all the products that I use in the comments down below if you're interested in getting them, if you have them, your thoughts, all that stuff. And as always, if you have any suggestions for future videos, certain products that you want to see, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you in the next one.